Hello all. I'll get up here. So, today's project is replacing my lights. These fluorescent lights are terrible. They keep burning out. So, I am going to replace them with some sweet LEDs. But I got to take these down and put up a box, wire them, and then put the new one in there. So, just a short video on doing that. Thanks for coming by, guys. Have a good one. Alrighty, so we gotta take these lights down and do some wiring. But it's a little dark in here, but you guys should be able to see it. I'm gonna do that front right one first so you can see the light difference. It's pretty crazy. And away we go. Alright, so that is a little bit different. Holy cow. Alright, next one. Alright, well, my camera fell somewhere in the middle of that process, but you guys can see how bright it is in there now. That is nice. Oh yeah. And I took my wand, put it up here in the laser center. So yeah, another project follows here. So once again, guys, one more thing done. Hopefully you guys keep watching. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye-bye.